is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties: in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Warren, and the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Lehigh, and Northampton.